Did you know that Gmail or Google Mail will help you to unsubscribe from those email lists that you've decided are no longer relevant for you? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday programs to make life that little bit easier. So here I am in my Gmail account, and I've decided that the one from Jotform, I don't want to be a member of their list anymore. Now, of course, I can click in and scroll down, and there will be an option somewhere at the bottom. There you go, unsubscribe. But before you do that, have you noticed at the top, underneath the subject line, I've of course got the picture and who it's from with their email address. And next to that, it's actually telling me unsubscribe. So all I really need to do is to open the email, click unsubscribe. It'll ask me to confirm if I want to stop receiving, and I can press cancel or the X if I don't want to. In this case I do, so I'm just going to confirm by clicking unsubscribe, and it's sent to a unsubscribe form already, and I'm done. And it's actually as simple as that. Now, if I want to move this to spam, you can do. Please do be careful about this. If it's a legitimate company, you've just decided you don't want it, it's not spam, you just don't want it anymore, and you can delete the old emails again if you no longer want them. But don't move it to spam if it's a legitimate company, because it can damage their email reputation. And yes, there is such a thing as email reputation. I hope this quick tip is useful for you, and if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And remember, if you'd like to be notified as new videos are released, then hit subscribe and click the bell to be notified as you need to. I'll say goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next video.